Okay, welcome to our second video, and during these next few minutes we're going to look specifically at mindset and help you understand why is mindset so important for anything you do with what your body needs to do. So we're going to start with a simple phrase: whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're probably right. Your thoughts will determine any success or failure you have. So if your ambition is to lose weight and transform your body, you've got to believe you can do it, because if you don't, then you might get some progress. There's definitely some merit in it, but it's not going to be sustainable. You've got to change your thinking in order for your actions and your behaviors to become sustainable. And this is what it's all about with long-lasting results. Now, the other things to consider is there is no reality, only perception. This means your world is what you make it. So if you believe that everything's bad and horrible in the world, you have the power to change that, to seek good things and create good things for yourself. So if you want to change something about yourself, you are in complete control of making that happen. Like, you've got to believe that, and your self-talk will play a big part in this. So you bring your own meaning to events in our lives, and sometimes we attach the wrong meanings. Now, the good news is this can be reprogrammed. You've got to identify what the challenges are though, and it's through some special skills that we can start to shift that, reattach these meanings, which will then change your mindset, change how you feel about yourself, how your progress works, and give you the best chance of getting what you want out of life. And you get what you focus on, which quite simply means if you focus on failure, you are guaranteed not to succeed. If you focus on success, then you're going to be in a great position to succeed. And if you focus on the problems and always planning preventions, the what ifs, then you're going to be focused on the wrong thing, as opposed to focusing on solutions, which will give you the power to always move forward. Because life's not smooth sailing, and changing your body, whether it be for health or for shape, then these things, we need to find the solutions to move ahead. So what do you need to do in order to set up yourself up for success? There's some very simple sides of things. The biggest thing is it's all about your thoughts. Your brain is the central processing unit that controls everything about your body: your heartbeat, your breathing, your muscles, your awakenedness, if that's a word, the amount of alertness that you have for your body, and the drive that we create. Now, if you're positive and you're excited and you're looking forward to what you're going to achieve, then you're more likely to do these things. As opposed to if you're worrying about the downside, then we get concerned, we get defeated, and we tend to comfort eat and all sorts of things that associate with that. So quite simply, thoughts, and you're going to set yourself up in a better chance for success. So our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions are all linked in. Emotions are the biggest key to drive what we do, but it's hard to change an emotion. The key to changing our emotions is through our thoughts. So get your mindset right, you will feel good, and therefore you will do good. The other thing to consider is the pain and pleasure. We're strongly motivated as humans to avoid pain and gain pleasure. So focus in your mind, what is the great benefit that you're going to get from doing a certain thing? Right? Often we choose things that only have a short-term pleasure, and the classic example in the exercise industry is comfort eating. Right? When you're eating stuff you like, you will feel great at that moment in time. The consequence though can lead to long-term pain, so we need to shift the focus to what's going to give us long-term pleasure to avoid that pain, but also identifying that pain in order to move away from it. So for whatever you want to change about yourself, assuming that there is something, what's the downside to it? What pain are you experiencing now that you would like to decrease? And what pleasure are you going to get as a benefit of the change you make? Keep this as your focus, and focus on the pleasure. So to sum up our mindset, there is only one person you can be absolutely certain on, and one person you can rely on 100%. That person is you. You are responsible for what comes in and out of your life, And as soon as you take responsibility for that and you change your mindset, change it for the good, you will get what you want out of life. It'll take some time, it'll take you a continual focus on this, but this is the key to long-term success.